Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Star Wars fan, you probably have some classic Star Wars footage, maybe from the original trilogy or old VHS tapes, that you'd love to see in higher quality. Today, I'm going to show you how to upscale your Star Wars videos using AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. To begin, drop the video file or click to open to import the video you want to upscale. Now, there are a range of options to enhance your video. For upscaling, I recommend selecting AI Upscale. You can choose the output resolution, such as 1080p or even 4000, depending on how much you want to enhance your footage. You can also apply other enhancements like denoising, sharpening, or even adjusting brightness and contrast. Once you've set your preferred options, it's time to hit start. The AI will begin analyzing and enhancing your video. Depending on the length and complexity of the video, this might take some time. Once the process is proceeding, you can preview the upscaled video. The difference is usually stunning. Upscaling old or low-res videos is super easy with AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac, so you're all set. You can download the software from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video editing tips and tricks. See you in the next one.